just had a really bad scare. So I ran downstairs because I heard Cindy, he was like going crazy. I heard like loud like squawking and he started crowing, so I ran downstairs. I opened the door and I saw Maggie laying out in the middle of the yard and there's like feathers everywhere. Cindy's like walking around crazy, crowing. Honey's there, she's okay. There's no sign of Pepper. So I got a towel and my mom grabbed Maggie. She was okay, just had some feathers missing. Pretty sure it was a hawk because she was right out in the middle. Then like we got Maggie inside. I grabbed Honey and I herded Cindy over back to the coop and I put them in. It took me a while, but I put them in. And then I went back inside. I got Maggie and I put her into the house. And then I was walking around and there's Pepper. She's hiding in this little like clump of bushes over by our trampoline. I was so scared. I'm so happy that they're all okay, and I think the worst of the damage was just Maggie lost a couple of feathers. There were like feathers everywhere though, and I didn't even know she had that much fluff, but like it doesn't seem to be anything missing. But I'm glad like Pepper got out of the way, and Honey, I think she hid under the bush, and Cindy stayed out and he alerted us because I'm like up in my room and I still like heard everything. I was even watching a video, so I'm still like shaking, but I'm so glad everybody's okay. Good morning. Today is Tuesday. I decided not to let the chickens out today because of what happened yesterday, and it's snowing today. There's not very much, it's not enough to delay school, but at least there's hope for more snow later. We did have a lot of snow in November, but then now it's all gone for some reason. I'm just about ready to go to school. Later tonight I have a Girl Scout meeting and I'll probably be cleaning my room. So, see you then. Good morning. Today at like 5:15 or something, the school board called and there's a 2-hour delay. It's like raining and kind of snowy too outside, so I think I'm going to do some editing while I have some extra time. I actually haven't had time to edit the bullet journal video, so I'm going to go do that and I'll update you when I'm done. We just got another call from school today and there's no school. So I'm gonna finish editing. I will go see the chickens. I don't think we're gonna let them out till later today because it's supposed to get warmer and the little bit of snow that we have is gonna melt probably. I might have a friend over, I don't know, just finish stuff on my list. We'll see. Maggie pushed her. Come on. Oh, hello. Come on, Pepper. He's like, oh boy, I better get down. Good boy, Sandy.
Pet torture.
Move that plate.
Good stuff. He's like, stop hitting me.
Yesterday I had a friend over and we supervised the chickens so they can be safe. Then we made lasagna and then went to riding. Today I have a ski club after school and I'm so excited. We get to go up to the mountain with a bunch of my friends and just go skiing, so I'm really excited for it. Last night was so much fun. We got home at about 11:30. It was just great to see everybody, and we have a bunch of family over, and I really just loved seeing the reaction, my mom's reaction. It was great. The food's good, so yeah. It's Saturday. I have been out to see the chickens. It's 10 o'clock right now. We've just been like looking at pictures and hanging out as a family. And I'll just update you later. We just went out to show my relatives the chickens because they never met them before. And my mom had a plate of all these different kinds of good food. Like we had eggs and bread and stuff and like banana. And then I was holding Cindy. He was like standing on my knee. Honey was standing on the shelf. And then Pepper and Maggie were being held. And then we had to bring the plate down a little bit so Pepper and Maggie could reach the plate. And Honey jumped on it. She, like, onto the plate. My mom was holding the plate so she couldn't hold Honey on the plate and Pepper. So Honey, like, fell into the side. And I think she might have hurt her wing a little bit. I don't know. Like, when I touched her wing, she would, like, lift it up, like, really, like, perpendicular to her back. It was really weird. I don't know. I'm pretty sure she's okay. We brought her in for a second just so she could, like, warm up and stretch out and stuff. I'm pretty sure she's fine, but I don't know. A couple of her feathers are broken too from hitting the side, but I think she's okay. It's golden hour. Wow. Don't you just love lighting? There's the sun. Bye, sun.